Hi viewers, welcome to the Tableau training. So in this video we can learn about the filters and also what are the different types of filters are available in Tableau. So filter means we can restrict the unnecessary data. That means if you don't want to see the particular categories values, so then the time you can prefer to use the filters. Filters are basically six types: normal filter, quick filter, context filter, cascading filter, data source filter, and extract filter. Now let's go to the normal filter. So in the normal filter here I have created the basic visualization like region wise sales information. Values are categorized for each region. So for central region, it is showing like a 5,02,752. For east region, it is showing the 6,91,165. For south region, it is showing the 3,91,374. For west region, it is showing the 7,39,284. Now here the requirement is the user don't want to see the particular region values. Suppose we can take the west region. So now the user don't want to see the west region in the view. For that purpose, what we have to do in this sense, we can just drag region into the filter shell. When we drag the region into the filter shell, one pop-up window will be displayed. In the pop-up window, in the general tab, right? In the general tab, we are having the option called select from list. In the select from list, it will shows the all the region values. That means whatever values contain that region, it will show the all the values here. Now here it is showing the central, east, south, and west values, right? Now our requirement is the user don't want to see the west region, so we can deselect the west region. Now the data is filtered. You are seeing, right? Now again the user don't want to see the south region values, then again what we have to do, again we have to go to the filter shell and select the edit filter. In the edit filter box, in the pop-up window, we need to deselect the south region values. Now again the data is filtered. This is normal filter. Here what we are doing in this sense, we are restricting the unnecessary data. This is nothing but normal filter. Now let's go to the quick filter. What is quick filter? Now you guys are able to understand how the quick filter is working. That's all from this video. For more videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.